Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon, grade 2. How are you all doing? Good. That's very great. Yes, I'm also good, alhamdulillah. Thank you and welcome to your computing class, okay? So in today's class, basically we will learn that how we can change the look of the sprite, okay? So all of the sprites that we choose, they have the same color. Let's say a similar color with the cat, the very famous cat, which is a bear over there on the sprite, is in yellow color. So it doesn't mean that it just look in yellow color. Let's say somebody wants to have that cat in purple color, you can change it in that as well. If somebody wants to have that pink color or any other color, you don't like the yellow color, so you can change that as well, right? So in today's class we will learn that how we can change the look of the sprites on the scratch. So I'm going to share the screen with you. Show me a thumbs up if it is visible to you or not, okay? Is it visible? Okay, excellent. So what let's quickly revise what we have learned so far. We have learned about this page that the Scratch is basically programming language for the kids. Why this has been made? Because children was it was not easy for children to learn the programming language because it's very complex. So whoever want to work on this easy programming language has been created for them, and they can do a lot over here. You can make games over here, you can make videos, people can look at your work and they can make changes in it, they can give you suggestions, etc, etc. So what we have learned so far is that what is a sprite. So sprites are basically pictures on the scratch. How we can change that? We can change it easily by just clicking on this cat face. It will open a list of sprites for us, and by clicking on every whatever we want to, it will change it to that, right? Let's say I want to have this beer, so I'll just click on this, and over here I have this beer as my scratch. If I want to delete the previous one, I'll just delete it. Now this beer is only my sprite. Similarly, we have talked about the different blocks. Let's say this is a move block, this is turn block, turn over here, go to random positions everywhere. Now I'm dragging few of them, and this is known as drag and drop game. So I'm dragging few of them over here. Let's say I have dragged these two, and then let's say turn this. Now this I have created this function. Now this is in blue color, this is in purple and again blue, and the sprite is in brown color. Now the new work that you are supposed to learn today is that you are supposed to click on the looks. Can you see the looks option in purple color on the second number? Yes, you will click on this. Now when you open this, you are supposed to find the block which says that change the color effect. Can you find that block? Change the color effect. This one. You will click on this. See? Over there, the color of the sprite is changing. It's green now, light blue, dark blue, more darker, purple, brown, again brown. See? So this has been changing, right? Green. So through this, we can change the color of it. Now, if I drag it over here and paste it over here, now if I click on this, change the color, it will do all of these things together. See, it is going to random positions, it is playing the sound, turning as well, and then it is changing the color as well. See, so all four functions are happening at the same time. So this is today's lesson. What we have learned that how we can change the look of the sprite, and how you can do that. First, you are supposed to go into looks option, then you are supposed to find the block which says change color effect. Click on that and it will work. Okay, so it's very simple. Now I want all of you to please open it. Open scratch in your laptops or devices, whatever you are using, and then apply this and let me know that if you have any confusion. Okay, hurry up, start working. Sarah, are you working? Any confusion? Okay, good. What about you, Fahad? Are you working? Any confusion? No? Is it changing color for you? Wonderful. Yes, Elise, what is the sprite you have choose for today? The teddy bear, same. Okay. Is it changing the colors? Okay, wonderful. So that was all for today. what we have learned, that how we can change the look of the sprite. What you will be doing at home, you will be practicing it at your home as well. Change the color of it, try it out with different sprites, and then let me know that if it was working or not, right? If you have any confusion, any query, you can ask me in tomorrow's class. Hope you guys enjoyed the lecture. Do share this video with others because it's free learning. I'll be seeing you tomorrow. Take care. Allah Hafiz.